Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you all the slimes that I made. So let's get started. The first slime that I made in the whole wide world was this one. I didn't make that. I'm just going to name all the slimes. And his name is Big Fat. He's fat and he's big. So his name is Big Fat. Next slime. I keep eating some chips. Next one I have is this yellow one. His name is Sun. That's the color of the sun. There's my favorite one. Super stretchy. This is my favorite one. But my favorite one. Super stretchy. The next one that I have is this black one, and his name is Poppy. He's kind of sticky, so I need some more cleaner. For that he's that sticky. Take him out. He's my favorite one too, but the yellow one's my favorite. Yes. My favorite one so far is the yellow one. So far. He was super sticky, so that's why I had to play for so long. Next one that I have is Cherry. His name is Cherry. He's my favorite one too. Not sticky, because he's sweet cherry. The next one I have is Frozen. The next one I have is Frozen because it's frozen. It's like the name of Frozen. Because look, know how it's frozen? Because it has a frozen thing. And I'm selling it for $10. The next one that I have is this one. His name is Blue Raspberry. This one is my best one. But it's not better than the yellow. This one and the yellow one are my favorite. But I really like this one. It's stretchier than the yellow one. Selling this too. The next one I have, and that's $10. The one I showed is Marble. Ooh. I'm selling it for $20 because it's glass and I don't like spending my glass container. And this glass container was $30. So I made it $20 because the slime. This one's gold and pink. This name is Gold and Pink because it's gold and pink. Closer look. So I'm selling this one too. I don't know how. This one is for $5. Maybe $1. $1. This is how much it is. It's stretchy. No. Next one that I have is Sparkle. And this one is for 99 cents. The next one I have is Christmas, because it's Christmas. That's red and white. Next one that I have is Blueberry. And it's fluffy. The next one I have is plain. It's just plain, it's normal, that's all. There's nothing in it. That's why it's called plain. And it's just white. So it's blue in the camera, but it's really white. So yeah. The next one that I have is Blue. His name is Blue. Because he is blue and is super stretchy too. This is Pop Slime. I do not like this slime. I'm selling this one for free. It's stretchy. It's beautiful, but I'm just selling it for free still. Because I don't like the color. That's all. What? Okay. I had it in the wrong container. So that's what I was finding where my thing was. I found it at least. So the next one I have is purple slime. It's super stretchy. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. And this one's for $3. Okay, this is my favorite one. His name's Perfect, because he's perfect and that's his real name. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is super sticky. I need to activate it. Okay. Activate it. Okay, it's not that sticky no more. It loves me. It won't come off of me, but it's not really sticky. It loves me. It's stretchy. It's super stretchy. I don't like playing with it that much because it gets my cracks. This slime is poop slime because it's poo-poo. Oh my gosh, this is super sticky. I'm adding activator. Ma'am, my hands are full with slime. I'm coming though. This slime is moon slime. And it's free because it's not stretchy at all. It's perfect slime. It pokes good. It passed everything except for the stretchiness. It is stretchy, but not super stretchy. It can only go this stretchy. It can only go up to here. Only up to here, that far, then it breaks. It's like snake slime. It loves crawling on people. Oh, it's super cold. Guys, that was super cold. Look how I have a sky slime. Oh. I thought it was supposed to be super sticky. It's super stretchy. And this slime is $4. $1. $4. Wait, let me see. Yeah, $4. This slime is sticky. He's not sticky. It's good slime. It's not sticky at all. I just named it that. It's only a little bit sticky. Oh my goodness, I had way too much activator. I need another slime that's not sticky. This slime is Sparkle, and he's not sticky. The next slime that I have, I'm just gonna keep going until I get a sticky slime. This is a purple slime, that's her name, and it's $15 because it's my favorite. It's my favorite one. Next one that I have is watermelon. It's green and it's watermelon and it's sticky. It's super sticky. But it's not sticky no more because I had an activator. Oh my god. His name is Watermelon. That's who needed in. Okay, now it's slime. It's super stretchy, like super stretchy. And this one's $20 because I love watermelon. The next slime that I have, this is my last slime. The name is Bead because it has a bead. Well, it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet, but I added in my slime. I just wanted to. So, yeah. So that's all the slimes I have. I have more slimes, but I just don't want to show them because I just don't want to show them because I want to need this in. I have more slimes. I have 100 slimes. But I'm not going to show all of them because I need to knead this in, and I don't want the video to be super long because I have to do other stuff. I have to go to my friend's house. I have to get ready for gymnastics. And yeah. And I go to gymnastics at 4 o'clock. So yeah. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now. And every time I'm late, I get ready at 3 o'clock and I have to eat some snacks. I take a bath. I have to get ready. My mom has to straighten my hair. And I go, the gymnastics that I go to is ASI gymnastics. You go at 7 o'clock. You're supposed to go at 7 o'clock, but I go at 4 o'clock. I just don't know why. I just like to go to at 4 o'clock. But I don't go to ASI at 4 o'clock no more. I only go at 7 o'clock now. If I'm your favorite YouTuber, comment down below. And if you say I'm your favorite YouTuber, I'll give you all my slimes for free. You have to be the first one to say that first. First, the first one, I'll give you all my slimes. And the second one, I'm going to be the Cigano slime. And the first one who comments down below, I'm going to give you all of this slime except for the big one. The second subscriber that says that, I'm going to give you all of that one. So, yeah. And I'm not kidding. I will give it to you. I'm not kidding. So please don't say, are you kidding? Because I don't kid with people. I don't kid with people no more. I used to, but I don't no more. Because I'm nice. If you go to Homestead Elementary, I'm super nice. Because that's where I go to. And I'm in 3rd grade in Miss Fernandez's class. So if you go to Homestead Elementary, that's the school I go to. So yeah. Bye, but put this incorrect. Okay, I need to get ready. It won't close because the slime's too big. But I'm selling this little slime for free because I don't have nowhere to put it. And yeah, no, I'm not gonna sell it for free. Put it in here. So bye guys.